Troubleshooting abnormal shutdown during a cycle on an LG dryer. If your LG dryer unexpectedly turns off during a cycle, this can usually be resolved without a technician by using easy troubleshooting steps. The first step is to check if the unit is securely plugged into the power outlet. Note that some power outlets are sometimes controlled by light switches on the wall, so make sure the light switch is turned on. Also check if the circuit breaker supplying power to the dryer has been tripped. If it has, reset the circuit breaker. If the outlet and circuit breaker are fine, then check if the dryer can restart after the shutdown. If the unit powers back on after the abnormal shutdown, the issue can be attributed to 3 factors. Interrupted power. The cycle may have shut off due to an interruption of the power supply. Small loads. A small load may cause the cycle to end abruptly because the clothes will not brush against the sensors at the front of the drum. When the unit is unable to sense the load, the cycle time will abruptly drop down, then shut off. It may be better to add a few items to a small load or just select a speed dry or time dry cycle. Sensors. Residue on the sensors will prevent the unit from properly detecting the load and will cause the cycle to end early. If the unit will not power back on after an abnormal shutdown, then try hard reset. To do this, unplug the dryer. While the dryer is unplugged, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, then hold down the start/pause button for 5 seconds. Plug the unit back in and check if the light and the unit come back on. If the unit does not power on, it will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.